Hi, in this tutorial, we will learn how to auto-post Amazon top-selling products to WordPress. Visit Google and search for your desired product category's top-selling items. Visit the Amazon link that represents the top-selling items. For example, here are the top-selling smartwatches. Copy the Amazon product link. Under the WordPress automatic plugin menu, click New Campaign. Select Amazon as the campaign type. Enable this option to post from a specific link. Enable this option to disable search using keywords. Hit the Publish button. Now the campaign is published and is ready for processing. Click Run Now. A new product was added successfully. You can run the campaign as many times as you like. You can also set it to run automatically every update interval, starting from 1 minute. The plugin supports WooCommerce. Set the post type to product. Hit the Publish button. Click the Run Now button. A new product was added successfully. The gallery was created successfully. The affiliate link was set automatically. Let's check further options. In this option, you can paste HTML containing products, and the plugin will extract the products from. This option sets the categories of the imported product as it is on Amazon. Here you can define a specific price range. The plugin can grab the original reviews from Amazon and post them as reviews. This option can set the purchase link to the Add to Cart link. This option sets the excerpt of the item from the description. You can simulate a specific location, so you can get prices and availability based on this location. Hit the Update button. Click Run Now. A new product was added successfully. The gallery was created successfully. Categories were created automatically. The brand was set. Reviews were imported successfully. You can add the product as a simple product instead of an affiliate product. Users can then add the product to the cart and make the order on your site instead. Hit the Publish button. Click Run Now. Users can then add the product to the cart and make the order on your site instead. The plugin can also increase the prices and add a fixed percentage of the original value. Let's, for example, increase the prices by 20%. Now the price of the imported product will increase by 20%. Hit the Publish button. Click Run Now. Thank you for watching. The plugin link is in the description.